Oakland. Bots everywhere.
Southwestern Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan.
In Oakland County,
North
yes.
Central Oakland County in southeastern Michigan.
Bro, I literally turned this off. Are any stations that are related by any... I can't even... Might as well turn that off. Can't even play this now. Knew it was gonna happen, but I did not think it would. I better hurry up and check and see if any stations are gonna relay this.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Holly State Recreation Area.
102.7.
Quarter-size hail. Short. Radar indicator.
106.32.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof.
What? I won't.
Radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
And train through.
And now the forecast for the